Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create a sitemap or a roadmap in Mana.com. So there are two ways to do so. The first one is by doing it manually, but I don't really recommend it, especially if you're a beginner, because it will take a lot of time and it can be complex depending on your workflow. So what I'm going to recommend you is I recommend you to use a couple of templates that Mana.com has. To use templates, press this blue button under main workspace, press choose from templates. Here search for map, and there you go. Here, as you can see, we get a product roadmap template. We can use this one, or we get a career roadmap template. We can use this one, or we can use this construction roadmap template, or we also get another production roadmap template that is for especially for development purposes. And let's say we want to use this product roadmap or career roadmap. So select it, press use template. Alright guys, so once the template is set up, you get a Gantt chart and a main table. So if you go to main table, we get a couple of options here. We get career roadmap, we get career roadmap R&D, and we can add other options. So here you can add relevant data, you can add requirements, responsibilities, managerial responsibilities, but the most important thing is this Gantt chart. If you go to here, as you can see, we get a lot of options. We get a Gantt chart for career roadmap marketing, career roadmap R&D. We can add interns, undergraduate, associate, technical manager, senior manager, director, VP, and we can add their deadlines. And basically, if we scroll down, we get a lot of quarters, like we get quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, so you can manage all or your years of work here. And this way you can create a sitemap or a roadmap using Mana.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.